Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, with a mileage of 190,400 miles. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong V8 engine that delivers excellent performance. The transmission shifts perfectly, and the truck is equipped with a G80 Posey traction rear differential and a 3.73 gear ratio. Originally from Virginia, this truck has a solid frame with no rust. Its exterior is finished in green, while the interior is gray, creating a classic and rugged look.
The fuel type is gasoline, ensuring dependable performance.
Approximately 2 months ago, the windshield was replaced after a rock caused a crack. Since the temperature gauge was not functioning properly, a remote gauge was installed on the dashboard for accurate readings. Additionally, the truck comes with 2 extra fenders in perfect condition, as the driver's side fender had been dented and subsequently repaired.
Number 2.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. This is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a tan exterior paired with a matching tan interior. It runs, drives, and stops without any issues, powered by a reliable straight-six engine. While the truck is in good mechanical condition, there is a small amount of rust on the rear wheel wells and the driver's side cap corner. The air conditioning and heating systems function properly, as do all the gauges and the radio. The vehicle also has 30% tint on all windows. However, the clear coat is peeling. This C10 has undergone a suspension modification for a lowered stance. The front features a McGoy's kit with 2-inch lower springs and 2 5-inch drop spindles, while the rear utilizes an axle flip combined with a 1-inch block, achieving a 7-inch drop. The leaf springs are brand new, and the suspension is further enhanced with Beltec shocks specifically matched to the lowered setup. Additionally, the truck sits on brand new wheels and tires, complementing its custom stance.
Number 3.
2000 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,500, featuring an automatic transmission and a powerful big block 7.4L V8 engine. With only 124,716 miles on the odometer, it runs and drives smoothly, delivering great shifting performance and strong power. The truck is equipped with a 6-inch Pro Comp lift, enhancing its stance and off-road capabilities.
While it currently operates in 2-wheel drive, some front-end work is needed.
The ABS sensor on the passenger side requires replacement, and the tires should also be replaced, though it comes with aftermarket wheels. The exterior is finished in gold, complemented by a gray interior that remains in excellent condition. Impressively, the truck has no rust, and it holds a clean title.
Number 4.
1996 GMC Sierra, price $5,000, with 143,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a red exterior and interior. It runs on gasoline and remains in excellent condition, with all seat fabric intact and minimal visible rust. Many new parts have been installed, including a new oil pan, transmission fluid pan, brake lines, radiator, gas tank, fuel pump, and starter. All electric features, such as mirrors, locks, and windows, function perfectly. Equipped with a 7.5-foot Fisher A-frame plow, this truck has reliably cleared local driveways for 9 years. The engine-run hydraulic plow operates slower than modern electric versions but has been highly dependable. While the truck runs great and is ready for winter, the heater fan occasionally turns on by itself, the emergency brake needs work, and the plow lights require connection.
Number 5.
1999 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,400, with 180,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a 350 engine paired with a 4L80E transmission and a 9.5 14-volt rear end. The exterior is finished in green, while the interior is gray. Running on gasoline, this truck is equipped with functional heat, air conditioning, and cruise control, all in working order. Several components have been recently replaced or upgraded, including new tires, a new belt along with the idler and tensioner, an alternator, an AC compressor and dryer, spark plugs and wires, a complete distributor, a crank sensor, a radiator with a thermostat and all new hoses, all 402 sensors, a blower motor and resistor, brake lines, rear brake shoes and wheel cylinders, a new fuel tank and pump, as well as catalytic converters paired with a Spintech muffler.
Number 6.
1988 Ford F-150, price $4,500. It has 112,000 miles on the odometer and features a 5.0L engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. It is a rear-wheel drive truck with a white exterior and runs on gasoline. Several new parts were installed over the summer, including a new oil pan, a high-volume oil pump, a new transmission pan, and 2 in-tank fuel pumps. The truck could use new front brake pads, which is why the front rims are dirty. Additionally, it comes with a brand new differential cover, as the rear end has a slight leak. Other than that, it has the typical characteristics of an old Ford: dings, dents, and the occasional drip, but it remains cleaner than most trucks of its age.
While not perfect, it is well maintained and in great shape for a nearly 40-year-old vehicle.
A clean title is in hand.
Number 7.
1983 Chevrolet C20, price $6,400, with only 76,000 miles on the odometer.
Equipped with a 5.7L V8 350 small block engine and an automatic transmission, it runs great and is completely road-ready.
The exterior and interior are both finished in sleek black, giving it a bold and timeless look. This truck comes with a clean Illinois title and has been kept in excellent mechanical condition.
The frame remains in great shape with very little rust considering its age.
Several key components have been replaced to ensure reliability, including all new belts, a radiator, a water pump, and a thermostat in January 2023. The fan clutch and all fluids and oils were also refreshed at the same time. In November 2022, it received new brakes and rotors, while in November 2023, it was fitted with brand new wheels and tires. More recent upgrades include a new battery and windshield in April 2024, as well as a new fuel line, from the fuel pump to the carburetor, in August 2024 and a new muffler in October 2024.
Number 8.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, with only 74,000 original miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a 305 engine paired with a 700 R4 transmission. The exterior is finished in blue, and it runs on gasoline. The truck has minimal rust, limited to the upper bedside and cab corners, while the underside remains very clean with only surface rust.
It is fully highway ready and can be driven home without issue.
Recently, several new components have been installed, including an alternator, battery, distributor, belt tensioner, and tires.
It also features a new MagnaFlow side exit exhaust system, enhancing both performance and sound. Number 9.
1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800. It has covered 112,000 miles and features an automatic transmission.
The exterior is finished in a striking red color.
Equipped with a powerful 5.0L V8 engine, this truck runs strong and smooth. It has been lowered using new leaf springs, shackles, and a 5-inch flip kit, while the frame remains unmodified and solid, having been undercoat for protection. Though rust is beginning to bubble on the bed wheel wells and the bottom of the doors, the truck remains structurally sound. A brand new battery has just been installed, and it has also received a fresh tune-up, ensuring optimal performance.
Number 10.
1982 Chevrolet S10, price $7,500, painted in a striking blue exterior. It features an automatic transmission and is equipped with a high-performance 350 small block engine. The engine has been upgraded with a cam, performance heads, an intake, mid-length headers, and a Holley 750 double pumper carburetor, along with nitrous express solenoids and plate for added power. This S10 is paired with a TH350 3-speed transmission, which includes a 2800 stall converter, a shift kit, and a BM shifter for precise control. Despite its performance-focused upgrades, the truck remains functional and enjoyable to drive. With a working radio and heating system,